Jamila sold a table and a chair for rupees 1050, thereby making a profit of 10% on the table and 25% on the chair. If she had taken a profit of 25% on the table and 10% on the chair, she would have got rupees 1065. Find the cost price of each. So what is that we are looking at? Just a second. Let the cost price be rupees X for the table and rupees Y for the chair. Then what is given over here? It's given that if she happened to sell the table at 10% profit and 25% on the chair, she would have got this amount. Okay, so basically selling price or total selling price. There are two cases, by the way. Let me write it in case form. Case 1, total selling price. See, I'm just writing what is given. Everything is there on the sheet of paper, is it not? So price is how much? Rupees 1050. Then profit percentage on table. Profit percentage on table is 10%. On chair is 25%. Again, I'm just writing what is to be written, given and all of that. If not, nothing fancy I'm doing. Just learn how to write all of this. Total selling price in case 2 is rupees 1065. In this case, the profit percentage on table is 25%, I guess. Yes, 25%. And on chair it is 10%. And now on to figuring out the values. How will we do this? How is the working? So since we are talking about profit and all of that, we have to go to this part, right? Profit and loss. So since we are talking about profit, so selling price is cost price plus the profit. But there are two items, so total selling price is equal to total selling price is equal to cost of the table plus the profit made on the table plus cost of the chair plus profit on the chair. This is the fundamental formula. And now applying it in case 1. So we have case 1 is equal to 1050 is equal to cost price on the table is X and the profit is 10%, that is 0.1, or let me not confuse you guys, 10% of X, is it not? What is profit mean? Profit amount means cost into profit percentage, right? Cost plus profit. Instead of writing amount, I just wrote profit. Okay, it's amount. It's always amount, is it not? Only amount and amount can be added. We can't add percentage to an amount, right? So that sense should be there. And Y plus, this is 25% by 100 Y. Again, this fundamentals has to be learnt from your end. So 1050 is equal to, this is 0.1, this is 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1x, or I'll go with 11 by 10. I'm going to rationalize this. And this would be 26 by 100. 26 by 100y. Sorry, not rationalize it. I'll remove the denominators. How? See, I don't want this. I want a whole number in proper integer. So I'll multiply with 100. So we have 105000, and this will be 110x plus 26y. Again, we have done this kind of math before. Also, I hope you guys understood. Every term is multiplied with 100. Okay, this would be your equation 1. Okay, again, the math will become a lot simpler if you do all of this. Now case 2. So we have, what is it? 1060, not 60, sorry, 65 is equal to 1x plus, here in this case it's 25% over here, and in other case it is 10%. I hope I'm not mixing it up. Table is x, right? Table is x, correct. Okay. And again here too, what will I do? I'll add it up. So we have 1065 is equal to, oh my bad, this is not 26. LCM here is 100. This is 125. 125. Okay, yeah. Yeah, now we have 125x by 100 plus 110 by 100y, and now on to multiplying with 100. So this is okay, I took that only, it's okay. Multiplying with 100, you'll get the same answer end of it. So we have 106500 is equal to 125x plus 110y. This would be our equation 2. So you can see equation 2, it's of a particular format. It's of ax plus by, and this is bx plus ay. So what can we do with such things? We can add and subtract them. We'll get a new set of equation, and that will help us find things faster. So we'll add 1 with 2. So we have, since I don't have space, I'm going to do it here itself. 5, 6, 1, right guys, 1, 1. So basically 2 zeros are there by default, 500 is there by default. So basically, yeah, no, this is 2. Then 511, no, now it's correct. No, not there. So this would be equal to 235x plus 235y. And now we have to divide all of these terms with 235. I'm doing the maths, all the maths over here itself. Okay, we add it, and then we will divide this entire thing with 235. Okay guys, so 235 nines, I guess. I'm sure if you guys want to verify, you can do it manually. I have a luxury of doing this. See, it always goes. See, it's near 200, and this is 200. 235 tens is 2350. So you understood now what I did, right? So 235 into 9 will give you this. So this is 900 basically. This is x and x. I mean, the coefficients will get cancelled. So x plus y, the chair and the table put together is just 900 bucks. So then you can subtract 1 and 2. And you will get something that we'll divide with. So we need to subtract, yeah, this is bigger, 2 and 1. We'll subtract 2 with 1. Okay, so we have 2 zeros by default, that we can't do anything. And we have, this is bigger, right? So this is 5. And then we have 1, yeah, 1500 is equal to, this would be 15x and this would be minus 15x, 15y, sorry. And now we'll divide with this entire thing with 15. Again, you can do this maths, not an issue. Your teachers will not tell anything. You don't have to show all the steps. This is good enough. This is the step that they mean. We're not skipping anything, just that we're concising it. You know? So this is 100 is equal to x minus y. You can call this as a and b. We'll add a and b and we'll get x value and then y value. A plus b. So that would be 100,000 is equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to 500, and therefore let me change the color. Therefore y is equal to 900 minus 500. This is from equation A. That would be equal to 400. So I had to do this because I didn't have space. Okay, if not, guys, you don't need to be scared of this. This is good enough math. You know, the writing part, I mean, of course the math is good. The writing part, this is good enough. So the cost of table, I guess, is 500, and that of the chair is 400. Okay, this is your answer. Right here, the funda was this, you know, adding and subtracting. That's how you calculate faster. If you use elimination method over here, you will get, again, any method, maths, if you do right, you will get. But again, the point is you should not be making mistakes. You know, so you should try to get answers with no mistakes. Actually, you know, I was able to tell least mistake, but that's not practical. No mistakes. Okay, so this would be your answer.